So first is Simon says send a virtual heart to the group. All right, great. Sandra says say hello after you touch your head. Say hello after you touch your head.
Hello.
Okay, a little confusing. All right. Simon says give life a big hug. All right, make a funny face. But Simon didn't say that. All right. Simon says give Corona a karate chop. All right.
Thank you so much, Rishi ma'am, for conducting this beautiful game. This actually, for a moment, I was, observing my teachers and everybody was smiling. I think the agenda and the very clear objective is this only for today's, session. Moving ahead, right? We already discussed that, I really want to hear, many voices that as a team what are our sufferings, or maybe anything you want to share. How are you feeling if you are not affected by COVID or something like that? So are there so much of from media, from here or from everywhere, you are getting some sort of information that is depressing you, either you're facing it, either your loved ones, anything you want to start, anyone can actually pitch in and then start with the courage to share if you feel like sharing.
I want to share something with the family of Swiflearn. I hope मैं अपना message clearly मतलब समझा पाऊँ. This is 2021 is going on. In 2017, I lost my mother because of heart attack. When I was in class 4th, my father left me. My father left the family, our family, and in class 3rd, 4th, मम्मी ने हमें पढ़ाया और जब उनके दिन आए कुछ देखने के, when I was selected for YP Youth Exchange Program, फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं कुछ कॉपी पेंसिल लेके स्कूल जाऊंगा. स्माइली वाली बॉल आती है, वो खरीद के मैं स्कूल ले गया, बच्चों से मिला और बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को बच्चों से मिलके. They made my day. मेरे को 1 मिनट के लिए भी फील नहीं होने दिया कि मेरी माँ नहीं है दुनिया, और मुझे बहुत ही खूबसूरत फील हुआ.
Not only I think most of us daily we used to complain, भगवान आपने ऐसा नहीं करा, आपने हमारे साथ ऐसा क्यों करा, ऐसा नहीं करना.
Also we complain कि क्या कर दिया भगवान, ये क्या हो गया, मतलब it's really pretty things, and we give up with hope. Even with small fights or anything, we kind of give up. So there's so much to learn from you, Rishabh sir, and I am very hopeful that all of us will, after hearing your story, we are now more, we have some more power within ourselves so that we can fight whatever, the situation is. So we'll fight this crisis together.
I learned this from my mother.
And Rishabh, like you want to become a soldier ना, so like हम यही कर सकते हैं कि like you are absolutely a real soldier, और आप मतलब आपके लिए मैं तो सल्यूट करता हूँ for sure.
Thank you so much.
Salute for you.
बिल्कुल.
You are a soldier, sir.
Hands off to you, sir.
Thank you so much. I'm really blessed to be a part of this platform. Events will come and go in life, bad events, good events, but the process of learning will never end. आप हमेशा लर्न कर सकते हो, हमेशा अच्छी चीज के टाइम पे भी लर्न कर सकते हो, और बुरे हालात में तो और ज्यादा लर्न कर सकते हो.
जिंदगी में कुछ कर गुजरना चाहता हूँ, हर एक सवाल का मेरे पास जवाब हो, उस मुकाम पर चढ़ जाना चाहता हूँ. क्या करोगे आगे, क्या बनोगे आगे, पाल पाओगे अपने परिवार का पेट, बस इन्हीं सवालों से घिरा सा रहता हूँ. जवाब तो कहीं हैं, लेकिन इन सवालों के जवाब देना अभी जरूरी है, ये समझ नहीं पाता हूँ.
I'm like talking around the forum. I'm not ashamed of this. I don't know. This is an open thing. So if you have your menses, if the girls are having the menstrual cycle, please before 5 days and after that, don't take this vaccination. Very important, because our immunity is actually low at that time. So please make it a point to take it after 7 days of your cycle. so that if your immunity is better and you can cope up with this. Within this period when you are having this vaccination, your immunity will be the lowest. So please avoid going outside, avoid doing things which make you susceptible to catch the virus.
So I just wanted to tell one thing. If anyone needs cylinder, we are providing it free of cost. We have 2 cylinders and we are doing seva for this. So ma'am, if anyone needs, you can contact me for that in Delhi NCR.
Are you all okay and comfortable?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Absolutely
Definitely.
fine.
let's also
Yes, ma'am,
sing for
definitely.
Sushma ma'am.
Yeah.
Pre-birthday song.
Yeah. So advance birthday wishes for her and for her as well. Okay.
Where are our singers? Let's hear your beautiful voices now.
नहीं तो हम सब बिगाड़ देंगे.
Share from the heart. Everybody, I think happy birthday song सब लोग अच्छा ही गाने वाले हैं. So
नहीं. कोई बैंड भी बजाने वाला है.
Everybody can sing together. So we create, and lighten the atmosphere also. And okay, so let's start. Anyone can start. We'll follow or we'll go together.
Rishika ma'am.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
May
God bless you.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Please take care of yourself. This session was something, that I personally will hold, forever. So thank you for trusting the team. Thank you for sharing your problems, and people who haven't shared their problems. If you want, feel free to share and write anytime. You can call me anytime. We can discuss. We can have a word. I think it's really important. As of now, Shrift Learn only objective and primary objective right now is your health. So please take care of your health. We are there because you are there. So please take care of yourself. And I think I don't want to say anything out of this. We really love you. We really adore you. We really inspire you.